What's up, everybody? Aaron here, Wingman Garage. Tonight is event 4 for the community car build with the Civic. We are focusing on exterior modifications to really bring the look into the 21st century. Headlights, taillights, a front lip, and a rear window visor. So should be a pretty quick event, but it's gonna be fun. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. As you can see here, we've got headlights, tail lights, a front lip, and some other stuff. Huge thank you to Mr. Ben over there for sponsoring this build today. Thank you, sir. And yeah, it's actually gonna be, I think it's gonna be pretty fun today. It's gonna be simple today. Just switching out the old stuff. Hardest part will be getting the bumper off. Josh, I know you wanna rip that piece out. Yeah, you've been thinking about that since last time. So we're gonna have some fun, just hanging out, getting some things done. We got some old faces, some new faces, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. Oh, there's another one. I lied. Right inside here. Spliced it. Okay, well, the previous owner spliced the new stuff into the old stuff, but he left it all intact, which is really good. So that means we don't have to do any of like remaking of harnesses, which no one likes to do that stuff. Except Josh. Josh likes to do that stuff. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Works, always. Bam, there you go. It works, it works. So for those of you watching, Kevin is my new part-time guy, helping me out on the weekends. Kevin, say hi to the Wingman family there.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, buddy. All right, who's got a fine eye for detail?
I what? I've got one. It's just it's not as sharp as it could be. I mean, it's pretty dang sharp.
So we can put the headlights in, they're just not gonna work today. Right. I gotta get bulbs. That's fine. Boom. Don, if you want to give Neil a hand since you took that side off, you know where everything goes.
So what's the trick with these clips? So the trick is, since there's no clip thing on this one,
You just break it up.
so one of these is for brake light and the other is for reverse. Yeah. See, you know. Just pull on.
Plug the speaker back in and work.
Nice. Let's see what's going on. Let me get over here. How's it look, everybody? You think we can put it right like that? 1, maybe 2, maybe 3. Dan's here! Hi. For those of you that weren't here last event, Dan was the previous owner of the community car. Yeah. Like nitrous on it? You have a nitrous go-kart? Heck yeah, you do. Those things are amazing.
Yeah, that's the kind of guy.
Oh yeah. We're gonna take a break for buffalo dip. Everybody wash up, let's get some dip. Recap, headlights are in, front lip, rear visor, tail lights, and it looks awesome. You guys did great today. So, treasure maps are available to be purchased now. It works just like it did last year. $20, you can get a map. Everybody gets a map at the same time on the same day. I have not yet figured out that day, but I will be posting about it. And then whoever finds the keys keeps the car. So I might even actually hide the car this year. I'm not sure. We'll see. Depends on where it's at. Thanks again for coming out. This was a lot of fun. I think the car's come a long way since day one. Thank you again, Dan, for letting me buy it off of you. Thanks to Mr. Ben here for sponsoring today's event with all these cool parts. Thank you, sir. And yeah, good job. We killed it. Thank you all for watching the recap video for Event 4. I think it went really well. The car looks awesome. Headlights, tail lights, the lip, it looks great. What do you think, Kev?
I mean, just the little subtle details we changed today have made a huge difference on the appearance.
I completely agree. Completely agree. So,
yeah, the next event will be June 21st at 6 p.m. It'll be audio and get this thing wired up and sounding good.
yeah, big speaker going in, amp. It's gonna be bumping. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you.
Yep, thank you guys.